Alright, here's a tattoo machine I've been messing around with. Just got done finishing it up and stuff. It was the Damascus. I don't know if you can see it or not. Just got the camera sitting on some shit, so I just got to mess around with a little optical mouse battery, a little AA. It's going dead now. Been running it for a while, changing the spring tension in the back, but I just got it running. I'm breaking contact with it. I'm holding that on there, but really hitting on it too, pushing back on the armature bar. But that's it. It's running a little AA, half dead. Doesn't work for nothing. Hook up to a power supply and you can use it. Pointless information. There you go.